My favorite coffee maker set. I do love this brand. I always get different products from them. This is my favorite. It is perfect as a gift. I always get it as a present for my friends and family, and I do use it every day for myself. I love that it comes with a very beautiful large gift bag and with an instruction on how to use it. The quality is amazing. It is made from a very high quality material. I do use it already for a very long time and it still looks like brand new. There is a special spoon so I can easily measure the coffee beans. There are special filters. I place filter inside. I always grind my coffee beans right before I make my own coffee because I love the aroma and flavor. It is very intense and the taste is amazing. I do love the quality of this coffee maker. It is amazing. Must have.